Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to organize your virtual data rooms for M&A. Merger and acquisition are complex transactions that involve the exchange of a vast amount of confidential information in this high-stake environment. Effective organization and management of data are critical. The significance of well-organized virtual data room. A well-organized virtual data room is foundation of a successful M&A transaction. It allows both buyer and seller to streamline the due diligence process, facilitate communication between stakeholders, maintain document security, and ultimately make informed decisions. The benefits of well-organized VDR in M&A include efficiency, information is readily accessible, saving the time for all parties involved in the transactions. Transparency, and organized VDR ensure that everyone has a clear view of the documents, making it easier to track progress and ensure compliance. Security, proper organization helps maintain the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive documents. Now let's dive into the steps for organizing a virtual data room for M&A. Step 1. Choose the right virtual data room provider. Select the right virtual data room provider is first and most crucial step in organizing a VDR for M&A. Consider the following factors. Security feature. Assess the provider's security measures including encryption, access control, and audit trails. User-friendly interface. Ensure that the platform interface is intuitive, user-friendly, as well as this will facilitate efficient document organization and management. Categorize and prioritize document. Before uploading documents to the VDR, it is crucial to categorize and prioritize them based on their sensitivity and relevance to the M&A transactions. Consider the following categories. Highly confidential documents that contain extremely sensitive information such as financial statement, intellectual property, and legal documents. Confidential documents that are less insensitive but still critical to transaction, such as contracts, operational records. And non-confidential documents that may be relevant but are less sensitive, like marketing materials or public financial reports. Create a logical folder structure. Organizing documents within the VDR is a key aspect of maintaining efficiency. Create a logical folder structure that reflects the categories and priorities you have established. Consider the following organizational tips. Main folders. Create main folders for each category, such as highly confidential and non-confidential. Subfolders. Within each main folders, create a subfolders to further categorize document. For example, highly confidential folder, you might have subfolders of financial statement, intellectual property, and legal agreements. In conclusion, merger and acquisition transaction where security of sensitive information is paramount, well-organized virtual data rooms is essential. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that your VDR structure is for efficiency, maintain the highest level of document security, and facilitate successful merger and acquisition transaction. As the merger and acquisition transaction activates continue to a significant part of the business landscape, the role of virtual data rooms remains crucial in maintaining the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information during these high-stake deals. That's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again. Bye bye everyone.